Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing another April Dupes video because a long time ago I thought April Fools, April Dupes, how cute. So all April long we do dupes videos. None of these videos are sponsored. I have purchased all of the makeup with my own money. Let's get into it. In today's video, we are facing off the IT Cosmetics Superhero No Tug Shadow Stick with the IT Cosmetics No Budge Shadow Stick. The color that I am choosing to test today is Epic Amethyst and Rich Amethyst. They have very similar colors. We will get into that in just a moment. I did already open this package just to make sure that everything was like on the up and up. So let's talk a little bit about these, shall we? First, we're going to talk about the IT Cosmetics. This is the box. This is the actual shadow stick. It costs $24. You get 0.05 ounces or 1.61 grams. It comes in 12 shades, which are a mix of mattes and shimmers. You can find it at Ulta, IT Cosmetics online. I don't know if Sephora sells it. I will put that down in the description box below. But the website says, IT Cosmetics Superhero No Tug Long Wear Eyeshadow Sticks are everything you love about eyeshadow, now in an easy-to-use cream shadow stick. The super blendable eyeshadow glides onto your lids without tugging on your delicate eye area. Available in matte and pearl finishes. Benefits: innovative waterproof eyeshadow stick, glides on, super blendable. Formulated with tripeptide complex, hydrolyzed collagen, and caffeine. This lid-loving long wear cream shadow gives you younger looking eyes instantly. Aww. Features 16-hour wear, 90% say it applies evenly, 85% say it visibly smooths texture of eyelids, crease-proof brighter looking eyes based on a 1-week consumer study. Its counterpart from IT Cosmetics, this is the box. This is the packaging. The IT Cosmetics one is $5, so that is a $19 difference from the IT Cosmetics. It comes in 11 shades, which are all metallic and or shimmery. They also do have some limited edition releases of their shadow sticks for, like, they released a shadow stick or a couple shadow sticks for their like cookies and cream release. I think they might have a shadow stick or two for like their mint collection, as well as I don't know if they have one for their current Dunkin' Donuts collaboration. But they do have like different shadow sticks, limited edition, but the staple ones are like the 11 metallic shades, which, as I said earlier in this video, all correspond with the 12 shades that IT Cosmetics offers, except not all of the shades in IT Cosmetics are shimmer or matte. It's a mix. I will say one of the benefits of the IT Cosmetics eyeshadow stick is that it comes with a built-in sharpener in the like end of the stick, which is super nice if you're looking to use it more for like a liner or underneath your eyes. You can really get that like crisp point on your shadow stick. IT Cosmetics says, a versatile cream shadow stick that delivers high pigment metallic color with stay put power, long wear metallic hues, creamy blendable eyeshadow formula, applies easily and won't smear or crease, can be worn alone or under your favorite eyeshadow colors, twist up design with a built-in sharpener. Play up those peepers. These easy to use metallic eyeshadow sticks give you highly pigmented buildable color that stays put. The creamy formula glides on effortlessly as an eyeshadow or liner and allows you to create a range of looks, from everyday shimmer effects to bold smoky eyes. So, if you are unfamiliar with my dupe video, we use these products side by side to see how they actually hold up to each other. I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics on this side and the IT Cosmetics on this side so that we can see which one performs a little bit better. The directions are pretty much the same, so let me tell you how to apply them as I'm actually applying them. It says, swipe on across eyelid or lash line and blend with finger or brush. Allow to set, wear alone, under or over eyeshadow for a custom look. IT Cosmetics is pretty much the same, saying sweep stick onto your onto your eyelids for super smooth, super blendable, super all-day wear. Use IT Cosmetics eyeshadow brush or fingertip to blend effortlessly. Full disclosure, I do have just a little bit of foundation on my eyelid, so I am going to smooth out any of that cream product that I already have sitting on my eyelid before I do put any product on it. Okay, you guys, so here it is applied. This is the IT Cosmetics side. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics side. Lots of differences that I don't think I was anticipating. They both applied really, really nicely. No tugging, no nothing. They both glided on very, very nicely. The difference is mainly in the color. The IT Cosmetics side has a lot more shimmer. It's much more like glittery, and it isn't as like pigmented purple. The pigment is like all in the shimmer. The e.l.f. Cosmetics one is definitely much more pigmented. However, it is rather dark, like much more like on the smoky side. I think I was anticipating it being a little bit brighter, and it has a shimmer to it, but it isn't as intense as the IT Cosmetics side. Also, I don't ever trust whenever something says, like a cream product says no creasing, because I have like a hooded lid situation, heavy lid situation, so I get creasing with like every cream product that I use if I don't set it with actual eyeshadow. I'm not noticing anything too intense right now, but on the IT Cosmetics side, I'm definitely seeing like where the heaviness of my lid, use a shadow brush, like right here, I'm noticing how like the sparkle is kind of like clumping, not clumping up, but like transferring back on itself. So I anticipate having a bit of creasing on the IT Cosmetics side. They say that you do not have to set these and that they kind of like self-set, or that there's no creasing or anything like that. However, if you have hooded lids, you know that like everything needs to be set because everything creases. I'm not noticing too much of an issue on the e.l.f. Cosmetics side, but you can see there is like a very faint line in terms of creasing on this side. And again, that's just to be expected when you have like a hooded lid, heavy lid situation with cream products. Nothing is truly crease proof. I don't care what you say, nothing that is a cream is truly crease proof. So yeah, I was very surprised that these kind of had like two very different looks to them. Overall, I think that these can be interchanged for each other. I don't know if I would necessarily call them exact dupes because of the slight differences in coloring on the products. However, since they apply the same and the formula feels very much the same on the eye, I think that they both can be interchanged for each other. Just note, when you're getting the e.l.f. Cosmetics, you're probably going to get something that's a little less shimmery and a little bit more dark. I just wasn't anticipating this being like as dark for like a purple. I don't know. However, for a $19 difference, I think the e.l.f. Cosmetics one wins out for a couple reasons. First, the tip of it already comes pre-sharpened versus the IT Cosmetics, which is, oh my gosh, which is a rounded tip. I personally like it a little bit more on the pointed side so that I can use it more as like a liner and underneath my eyes in particular. Also, it comes with a built-in sharpener so that you can, again, keep that pointed tip running throughout the whole use of the actual pen, whereas the IT Cosmetics does not have a sharpener. It doesn't have anything. So yeah, I think for $5, my money is gonna go towards the e.l.f. Cosmetics one versus the IT Cosmetics one. Unless you're looking for a specific matte shade, then, you know, IT Cosmetics has e.l.f. beat in terms of that. However, there's lots of companies that offer these shadow sticks now because they're insanely easy for like everyday makeup looks, especially if you're like just going into the office and you just want to like pop something on, or maybe you're just trying to go out and look a little bit more put together. These are great because you just like put a couple swipes on your eyeshadow, blend them out with your finger, and your look's good to go. So I will link these down in the description box below, so if you are interested in any of them, you can check them out on your own time. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.